Hey delightfuls, welcome back to Made to Be Beautiful, inspiring women to be healthy and beautiful all the time. I finally got my hair crocheted. I am so excited, guys. I've been dying to get my hair crocheted for the longest. I guess I finally got tired of watching YouTube videos and looking at my girlfriends with their beautiful crochet style. So I just went and I finally got it done. Now, the YouTube videos made it simple, made it seem easy to just go and get it done by yourself. You get your hair, get your latch hook, and boop, 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 boop. That is not the case. I did a tab and I failed. This is too much work. Too much work. I thought crochet was supposed to take a few hours. I mean, 1 hour at least, but this is going to take me a day behind crochet, guys. There's definitely a science on how to apply each hair on each cornrow. There's a science on how to knot the hair. That made it crazy, and I was just latching each hair too close to each other. So I was turning out, my head was turning out to be this big afro. So I just took everything out and I decided to go to an African in Queens, New York. And I've been to that place before. It's called Ma'am African Hair Braiding. They're great. They know how to braid hair. Everyone in there is what I got. I am in love, baby. So now I know how to really do it. I watch her move. I watch everything that she did. And moving forward, I will definitely doing it by myself. Now, the hair that I purchased to get my hair crocheted was, the famous Freetress Deep Twist 22-inch in color 1B27. Now, I bought 4 packs, and she only used 3 packs. And on the 3rd pack, she had a few hair left. So 3 packs did all this. I finally did this hairstyle. I finally was able to come here and share with you guys this look. And I will be back with an update, a 2 weeks update, a week update, a 2 weeks update, and further, so you can see how this hair holds up throughout the full week process, full week. All right, so thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll be back soon. Bye.